In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your Etsy game up a notch with some awesome video mockups that can seriously boost your CTR. First, we have to locate the video mockup template that you have and open it in Photoshop. But if you're still looking for great mockup templates, check out our top 10 picks of video mockups for your Etsy listings. For this tutorial, I will use this video mockup right here. Now, once it's loaded, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the window menu and select Timeline. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a play button, go ahead and move your cursor over it, then hit play to preview the video. This gives you a quick glimpse of what your final mockup will look like, and trust me, it's going to look awesome. To customize the artwork, let's head over to the artwork folder. Inside, you'll find 3 smart object layers, which are labeled Design 1, Art 2, and Art 3. These layers are linked to the 3 scenes in the video, so each one is like a different chapter in your story. To start editing, just right-click on Design 1 and select Edit Content. This will open a PSB document in a new tab where you can drop in your own artwork. Let's do that now. Simply go to your files, find the artwork you want to use, and drag it into the new tab. Once it's in place, fit it to your liking, then hit the check mark to confirm. After that, just go to File and save it. Now press Ctrl W to close. And there you go. Your first scene is done. With that out of the way, let's move on to the second scene. The process is the same as before. Right-click on Art 2, choose Edit Contents, and add your artwork. Feel free to use the same design or switch it up with something different. It's all about making it match your vision. Now for the final scene, we'll repeat the steps one more time. I'm sticking with the same artwork here, but if you want to try something else, go for it. Just remember to use the anchor points to resize and position it perfectly. Once you're happy with it, go to File and save it again. And just like that, all your scenes are edited and ready to go. Now, let's finish things up by exporting the video. Go to File, then Export and choose Render Video. Here's a quick tip. Make sure to pick a folder location where you can easily find your video later. Set the format to H.264 for the best quality, and I like to rename the file here as well. When everything's set, click Render and you're done. After the video has finished rendering, you'll have your final video mockup ready to go, perfect for boosting your Etsy CTR. But why stop there? Want to see how to batch create mockups and save even more time? Check out our next video for a quick and easy way to streamline your process.